Hey, let me show you how you can use this hyper island on the Poco F8 Ultra. So first of all, if you want to customize this, there's unfortunately no way to do this currently. What you can do with this one, when you click on it once, you can expand your current application, and when you swipe with this line over here, you can open this application in the floating windowed mode. And now, when you make another gesture, you will make this application full screen. When you put it in the background, it will go back over here. And also, when you click here, you will open the recent apps. So we can click here and tap on this name, so we can quickly open the full screen, or you can click on it, swipe like this to open in the floating window mode. And you can still, by the way, make it smaller like this, and you can even attach it to the left or the right corner. There we go. And that's basically everything for this video. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching this video.